What up, everybody? You know what it's 94 bro, man. Mr. Aubreaction. So I'm back, and I'm back again. So today I'm back with T-Gler Montana. The track is of the Midnight Freestyle Overdue. So what they were T-Gler, I don't know how we are at freestyle and I kid Venda, Zabianga Manda, and Galito Zapala Nickel text. So Zabianga Manda, so in the end, and Obianga and Amosa Modinko, Marimun, can react to my song, you know, the Midnight Freestyle Overdue. So yeah, man, I'm gonna waste some time. Let's go.
Pachitopa voisiva engeza nazispeaker. Got a lot of name na libiti otopika ndininya gandopa tangengeno ini nopa likwa nazibuna ningarepa usikera zichabrika cause I do what I do with my crew. Don't fuck with you, the shit was true. Yeah, I knew. Now so we as we could know, but they fool. No, we are not fair. This nigga will feel an appeal. The repairs like a kagigi.
You said no, I mean, this guy, let me just try.
Nigga will feel an appeal. The repairs like a kagigi, repair fee. The face of the beat is a sword, they're better insane.
Okay.
Baby, the chitanga ore with children the game.
Baby, in the chitanga ore with children the game. Like you say, like, yeah, you know, in a game, he cheats in a game, so even the life to him is a game. So we are cheater, baby, they cheater on the game. Like, you know what he means, man. You know what he means. So let's go.
Baby, the chitanga ore with children the game. They came at the fair, my nigga, the play over there. What that is the game, this nigga's a banana fair. Bafara Kenne, our chicken coast. Bafana Zaka, all the jungle ball. Oh, four. Bani with the pro. Mosisa Kavasi Chena, you know, Vesa low. So, no, I'ma let you know. Songo tenda, but in Tritra Unga, you're the home. Dofuna Chandu Mara Umbaisa Ish.
Dofuna Chandu Mara Umbaisa Ish. I don't know if this is all of him.
You're the home. Dofuna Chandu Mara Umbaisa Ish. Sinona Munga Mara, I love that bitch. Kola Afghan Dora the cheese. Dalla poison.
Kola Afghan Dora cheese. Okay, let's go.
Kola Afghan Dora the cheese. Dalla poison. If you do over this.
Dalla poison. If you do over this. You can, but you know, one thing that you can tell is that this is a freestyle. I was just like, it's just stood in the booth and. You know, he was just speeding whatever that coming to his mind. You can tell. You can tell.
Over this, and I was out standing the phone. Here's the guy that's in the phone. They want to check what about them. This is a gig in my phone. Check on the bottom, checking out bottom top. They must have done now. This in a bra.
They must have done now. This na bra. The first line on this freestyle was so he had. They must have done now. This na bra. Like bra is referencing like I'm standing alone. Like he's just saying I'm standing alone. Tinamgana, bra samgana, and then you go reference like dam lema this na bra ngo brandi mungana wa dam. Timotika dam. Ngongwana so ndo yi matimutiko ngamutu mandindote because I don't have a friend. That's a deep line. That's deep. That's good, man.
Masa damu now this in a bra. Chabaga ini batu baringwa. Chabaga never na baringwa. This is the normal effect.
Chambanga ina baringwa. Mala chambanga wana baringwa. Okay. I got the reference. I got it.
Baringwa. This is the normal effect. Neto topa. Ini ni bebe nyaga dumufa. No profession unga so gurufa. Also go viva asiku.
No profession unga so guruva. Guruva mara obi aba fish ro mkana. Let's go.
Gurufa. Also go viva asiku lufa. Nena go Twitter nina li base Chia recorda tu ana scarf team. Remit ya divonga sa K-Lead. No farababa sino K-Lead.
You can, I've seen him freestyle live. Let's speak about freestyle and Nandi or Nana Kojavidi. So I know he's just like freestyling for sure uku freestyle mona like ka both uska mama into I tamba beat freestyle, so I can tell you he's freestyling. That's one of first drones, but yeah, he's freestyling, I'm telling you, and it's good. Okay, so that was T-Gler Montana, Midnight Freestyle Overdue. So first thing I noticed is that he was freestyling for real. I also love saying to and no, he was just like listening to the beat and then saying whatever that comes into mind. Because when it comes to this now, this song doesn't know about like you can just tell it was freestyle, and that's a beautiful thing. I also sing. That's a beautiful thing, and I love it, man. I love it. His voice, the quality is there, the voice, and everything. If he can do this while freestyling, just imagine if he can give himself time to say, I'm writing something down. So yeah, man, I'm impressed with this, and I hope because I think I need to hear more. I need more, I need more. So you have to give me like another one. I'll talk to him or Ampes, another one, so that we can work together, so that I can listen and then I can react on it and pause up with this thing more and more. Then if you're Mr. Aubreaction Rsa, I'm out.